Hey there, young learners. Did you know that each letter of the alphabet makes a sound? That's right. Today we are going to learn about letter sounds. Let's begin. This is the letter A. This is the big A, and this is the little a. The letter A makes the sound ah. 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 Can you make the sound ah? Very good. This is the letter B. This is the big B, and this is the little b. The letter B makes the sound b. 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 Can you say b? Amazing! This is the letter C. This is the big C, and this is the little c. The letter C makes the sound k. 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 Can you say k? Great! This is the letter D. This is the big D, and this is the little d. The letter D makes the sound duh. 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 Can you say duh? Very good. This is the letter E. This is the big E, and this is the little e. The letter E makes the sound eh. 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 Can you say eh? Amazing! And you say eh, 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 eh. Great! This is the letter F. This is the big F, and this is the little f. The letter F makes the sound f. Can you say f, 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 f? Great! This is the letter G. This is the big G, and this is the little g. The letter G makes the sound g. 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 Can you say g? That's great. This is the letter H. This is the big H, and this is the little h. The letter H makes the sound h. 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 Can you say h? Great! This is the letter I. This is the big I. And this is the little I. The letter I makes the sound I. 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 Can you say I? Very good. This is the letter J. This is the big J, and this is the little j. The letter J makes the sound J. 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 Can you say J? Can you say J, 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 J? Amazing! This is the letter K. This is the big K, and this is the little k. The letter K makes the sound k, 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 k. Can you say k, 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 k? Amazing! This is the letter L. This is the big L, and this is the little l. The letter L makes the sound la. 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 La 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 la. Can you say la? Can you say la 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 la?
Yeah!
Very good. This is the letter M. This is the big M, and this is the little m. The letter M makes the sound mm. 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 Can you say mm? Amazing! You say mum 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 mum. Very good! This is the letter N. This is the big N, and this is the little n. The letter N makes the sound mm. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Can you say na 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 na? Very good. This is the letter O. This is the big O, and this is the little o. The letter O makes the sound oh, 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 oh. Can you say oh, 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 oh? Amazing! This is the letter P. This is the big P, and this is the little p. The letter P makes the sound pa, pa, pa. Can you say pa, pa, pa? Wonderful! This is the letter Q. This is the big Q, and this is the little q. The letter Q makes the sound qua, qua, qua. Can you say qua? Wonderful! Can you say qua, qua, qua? Amazing! Roo, roo. Amazing! This is the letter S. This is the big S, and this is the little s. The letter S makes the sound sa, sa. Can you say sa, sa? Wonderful! This is the letter T. This is the big T, and this is the little t. The letter T makes the sound t. Can you say amazing? This is the letter U. This is the big U, and this is the little u. The letter U makes the sound up, 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 up. Can you say up, 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 up? Wonderful! This is the letter V. This is the big V, and this is the little v. The letter V makes the sound va, va. Can you say va, va? Wonderful! This is the letter W. This is the big W, and this is the little w. The letter W makes the sound woo, wah, 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 wah. Can you say wah, 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 wah? Wonderful! This is the letter X. This is the big X, and this is the little x. The letter X makes the sounds kus, kus. Can you make the sound kus, kus, kus? Excellent! This is the letter Y. This is the big Y, and this is the little y. The letter Y makes the sound y, y, y. Can you say y? Great! Can you say y, 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 y? Wonderful! This is the letter Z. This is the big Z, And this is the little z. The letter Z makes the sound z, z. Can you say z? Great! Can you say z? Amazing! Now it's time to play a game. Do you want to play a letter sound game with me? Wonderful! So I'm going to show you a letter, and I want you to tell me the name of that letter and what sound the letter makes. Ready? Let's go! What's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? That's right. This is the letter A, and it makes the sound ah. What's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? That's right. This is the letter B, and it makes the sound B. What's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? That's right. This is the letter C, and it makes the sound K. What's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? That's right. This is the letter D, and it makes the sound D. What's the name of this letter? And what sound does this letter make? That's right. This is the letter E, and it makes the sound E. What's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? That's right. This is the letter F, and it makes the sound F, F. What's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? That's right. This is the letter G, and it makes the sound G. What's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? That's right. This is the letter H, and it makes the sound H. What's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? That's right. This is the letter I, and it makes the sound I. What's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? That's right. This is the letter J, and it makes the sound J. What's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? That's right. This is the letter K, and it makes the sound K. Now, what's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? You're right. This is the letter L, and it makes the sound La. So, what's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? Yeah, this is the letter M, and it makes the sound M. Which letter is this? And what sound does it make? That's great. This is the letter N, and it makes the sound N. Okay, so what's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? You're right. This is the letter O, and it makes the sound O. So what's the name of this letter? And what sound does it make? That's right. This is the letter P, and it makes the sound P. You're doing great. Which letter is this? What sound does it make? Yeah, this is the letter Q, and it makes the sound Qua. Which letter is this? What sound does it make? Yeah, this is the letter R, and it makes the sound R. Which letter is this? And what sound does this letter make? That's right. This is the letter S, and it makes the sound S, S. Which letter is this? What sound does it make? Great! This is the letter T, and it makes the sound T. Which letter is this? What sound does this letter make? Yeah, this is the letter U, and it makes the sound Now, which letter is this? What sound does it make? Yeah, this is the letter V, and it makes the sound V. Which letter is this? What sound does it make? That's right, this is the letter W, and it makes the sound W. Now, which letter is this one? What sound does it make? Yeah, this is the letter X, and it makes the sound X. Which letter is this? What sound does it make? Yeah, this is the letter Y, and it makes the sound Y. And finally, what's the name of this letter? What sound does it make? You're right, this is the letter Z, and it makes the sound Z. Z. Yay! You did so amazing, young learners. Now practice with me every day, and in no time you will know them all. And you will be reading and know all your letters, all the sounds. I can't wait to see you again next time. Bye for now.
Hooray!